Hello and welcome to this short introductory video. My name is Dr. Peter Tobin and I'm going to be facilitating a half-day workshop as part of a one-day conference to be held in Mauritius in October. The details of the conference will be shown during the video, how to contact the organisers and how to book. So the theme of the conference is around innovation and changes facing organisations as they do business in a global environment. And one of the key changes that's happened over the last few months is the advance in global data protection regulation, in particular the General Data Protection Regulation, which has been implemented not only in Europe but has wide territorial scope for organisations trading with Europe. So we'll be having a look during the workshop at some global data protection trends, exploring developments not only in Europe but also in Mauritius with the advent of the 2017 Mauritius Data Protection Act, which came into force a little earlier this year. We'll explore the General Data Protection Regulation and what it means for organisations in Mauritius or trading with Mauritius to understand the environment of business and how the GDPR has an impact on organisations and what they need to do when considering preparation for compliance with the GDPR. We'll do that in the context of looking at the Mauritius Data Protection Act, or MDPA, for those organisations that need to consider working with both the GDPR and MDPA as part of their compliance environment. We'll also look at the role of the Data Protection Officer. It's clear from the legislation, both GDPR and MDPA, that the Data Protection Officer plays a key role in helping to ensure that organisations become and maintain or become compliant and maintain compliance with the relevant legislation. We'll consider the issues around selection, appointment and development of the Data Protection Officer and how that's going to contribute towards compliance activities in organisations. Finally, we'll have a look at a case study of preparation for compliance with the GDPR, and we'll relate that to initiatives being taken in Mauritius in terms of compliance with the MDPA. There'll be lots of opportunity for participation during the workshop, Q&A sessions, discussions, and I'm really looking forward to being with you. It'll be my third time in Mauritius talking on the GDPR in less than a year, so I'm really becoming familiar with your business environment and look forward to meeting with you and discussing with you during the workshop. Thank you very much.